So I know something, Katie, that we talk about a lot is we really do encourage our clients to have those core skill sets in-house because I think no agency is going to be able to replace your marketing director leader role. That is a must have for any operator is someone in-house who is really driving the decisions around where you're going with your marketing strategy. And as much as we'd like to say, okay, we can come in and build that whole strategy for you, you need that in-house marketing leader to do that for you. I would also really advocate for having some skill sets in-house for things like social media strategy, content strategy, building your overall brand strategy. I think those are areas where having someone in-house doing those strategy and execution items is going to benefit the operator because at the end of the day, you know your brand best, you know your brand tone best, you know the vibe and feel and uniqueness of each community to build that brand strategy, build that social media content. A lot of that social media content we're seeing now is really being organically generated from even residents and activity directors who are there every day on the ground floor with your communities. And I think when you can build that truly authentic content and insight into the community, that's when you can excel in the social media space and the brand space. So I think we are advocates for really having some of those core skill sets in-house. And then I think where you can partner and find a good agency fit is for those specialized skills such as, SEO management, paid media management, automation campaign management. I think some of that specialized skill set is great to partner with agencies on. So I would really encourage in-house teams to kind of build those core skill sets in-house. I think things are changing so quickly, and any marketer needs to have kind of that student mentality of continue growing, continue learning. And I think without that mentality, you're going to fall behind pretty quickly. What is working today is not going to work in a year from now. So I would just encourage any house team to really, even if you don't have them in-house in a role right now, who's willing to learn it, who's willing to step up and say, oh, I'm curious about that, I'd love to learn it. There's so many programs online, virtual programs, conferences. There's endless education and training on these various skill sets. So yeah, just encourage teams to have that student mentality, really make time and build it into schedules of training, learning, hiring in-house teams with that curiosity and student mentality to shift and change and evolve as digital marketing evolves.